No. No. Are you kidding me? Really? You're kidding me. Why? They literally installed a new indicator on the old panel. Kidding me. Well, I guess it's a worse mod than Lift We Lost said it was gonna be.
Going down.
What was that chime? Oh god. Look at the indicator. What is that chime? That is such a weird chime. It's still has a motor room, at least. See if it says please. Staying clear of the closing doors. If you lock it for too long. Normally does. Well, sucks. This looks new as well, actually, to me.
Basement.
That is such an odd chime.
Going up.
What? It must be in the process. Because ground floor still has the old button panel. That's so confusing.
Ground floor. Going down.
Get out here. QLD. Old Dewhurst. That's so weird.
Going down.
Yeah.
Going up.
Both the same. Look. I think the cab's original, so that's something. Still kept a good quality, build quality. Except for that.
First floor.
Why a single ding?
Going down.
This is so sad.